Okay, welcome guys. I'm going to show you how to use the Cartesian plane to work out some ordered pairs to create a picture. Now, first we need to work out our x and y axes and which one is which. So we've got our x-axis, which is our horizontal, and then we've got our y-axis, which is our vertical axis. Now, it's really important to know which axis goes first, so which number goes first. So when you have an ordered pair, you'll have it written as in brackets, and you'll have a, let's say 3, and then comma, and you might have -2, and then it's bracket. So you've got them in brackets there. Now, the first letter is always the X and the second letter is our Y. So it's really important that the X comes first. Alright, so if we were going to do that, we'll have a look at the first one, which is 3 and then 4. So we go 3 along our X-axis and then we go to the 4 on our Y-axis. And we'll put a dot there to represent that ordered pair. Our next one is 2 and 3. And then our next one was -2. So now we're going along this side and 3. So -2 and 3. The next one is -3 and 3. And then our next one is -3 and -2. Another dot there for that ordered pair. The next one is 0, which is along the axis, and then -4. So we'll put that in there. And then the next one was 3, so we go across 3 and -2 down there. And then the last one is 3 and -4, which puts them all together. So let's get a different color. Let's go yellow, and that will help us to draw a line in between those ones. So we've got there to there, a nice straight line down, and then from that one down here, and then across, and then lastly going up. Nice straight line, try to. And that will get us our face. Well, a interesting face, that's for sure. All right, hopefully that's helped you to work out the Cartesian plane and the ordered pairs.